Hello friends and welcome back to yet another video on Gadget Rishi. Today it's about the generator air cooler removal. We're going to demonstrate how to remove the air cooler on the generator engines. These are Himson engines for internal inspections, cleaning, pressure test, etc. So all the isolations on the water side are already done. The engine starting gear is shut to prevent any accidental starting. So first thing is we open the drain connection and drain all the residual water. Then we remove the pipe work, all the connections to the air cooler. The air vent valve, the connection piece is taken out. All the bolts are already removed. You can see all the bolts and the nuts for the studs are removed, leaving behind the one or two bolts to keep the air cooler internal pieces in place. Next is we need to use the jacking bolts or the studs, and we screw them in so that we can get the push lift off force. This is to move it from its sitting position. Same on the other side, the jacking bolt. So as you can see, there is already a gap created which is clearly visible. The same we also do it on the other side. We try to balance the two jacking bolts to create the gap evenly on both the sides. Some water will continue to drain off as the gap is created. This is normal. Next we use a wooden piece to give it a lift and a leverage to further take out the air cooler from its sitting position. As you can see, next connect a sling on the lower part of the air cooler housing and use a chain block to pull it out. Once the cooler is sufficiently out, as can be seen, then we need to put additional slings to support the weight vertically up. The air cooler in itself is a very heavy object, and sufficient precautions have to be taken to prevent any personal injury and also damage to the equipment itself. So I'm now going to do it in fast forward. So we are connecting additional slings with chain lock supporting the vertical weight, while also using the initial chain lock to continue pulling the air cooler out from its position. Take sufficient precaution to prevent any accidental swing once the air cooler comes out completely from the housing. This is very important to ensure that it does not swing accidentally, hitting somebody or something in the vicinity. So that's the moment of truth. The air cooler came out smoothly, safely, and now we are going to lower it to a trolley to safely transport it to the workshop. Please see all the securing arrangements done to ensure the job went smoothly. Next, we inspect the internals of the housing. The scavenge space, that's the air outlet from the turbocharger, and this is the scavenge air manifold for the generator. So all the internal surfaces are carefully inspected. And our air cooler is now ready to go to the workshop for its cleaning, chemical cleaning, pressure testing, replacing the gaskets, and it will be ready soon to install. Thank you for watching the video. We hope we are bringing meaningful content to you. Do subscribe to our channel Gadget Rishi on YouTube.